This is AridDek. AridDek is an aluminum deck board and deck drainage system created by Wahoo Building Products in Dahlonega, Georgia. This waterproof deck system features a tongue-and-groove interlocking design that keeps water from dripping between the boards like it would with traditional decking. The boards interlock in a way that shed most water off the surface of the decking, and they also overlap so any water that gets in the seam between the deck boards is captured in channels that run off the end of the deck. AridDek allows you to build a watertight deck surface that keeps the area below dry from rain. The AridDek Waterproof Deck System is a popular choice for upper-level decks on boat docks because it doubles as a functional deck space as well as a roof over your lower-level dock area. This keeps your boats and other lake gear out of the rain so you can spend more time enjoying the sunset at the lake and less time packing up and covering your stuff at the end of the day. AridDek is extruded from high-quality marine-grade aluminum and painted with a durable, textured powder coating. The anti-skid textured powder coat and small ribs in the extrusion provide extra traction for wet feet. The powder-coated aluminum also reflects more sunlight and is much less dense than other traditional types of decking, which means it stays cooler to the touch and is comfortable to walk on with bare feet on a hot, sunny day. AridDek's powder-coated finish requires minimal maintenance to keep clean, and the high-quality aluminum will not rust, warp, rot, or crack. This means you can say goodbye to having to pressure wash, repaint, or restain your deck every couple years to keep it in good condition. AridDek is truly a one-and-done decking solution. AridDek is available in lengths up to 36 feet 5 inches, and Wahoo Building Products cuts to the nearest inch based on your project dimensions. This means minimal cuts and waste during the installation, saving you time and money. Contact Wahoo Building Products today for a free estimate to use AridDek on your next dock project.